In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms as a sign-in and sign-out sheet. We'll build a simple, reliable form that visitors or team members can use to check in and out, and you'll be able to post it at a front desk or on a tablet with a QR code for quick access. This approach works great for offices, events, classrooms, or any place where you need a clean record of who came and went. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser. If you're already in Microsoft 365, you can launch it from the app launcher. Otherwise, go directly to the Forms website and sign in with your organization account. Once you're in, create a new form. Give it a clear title so people know exactly what it's for, something like daily log. You can add a short description if you want to spell out basic expectations like use this to sign in when you arrive and sign out when you leave. Next, add your first question, name. Choose the text question type and mark it as required. Keeping it required prevents incomplete entries and ensures your log is always usable. If you want consistency, you can add a subtitle reminding people to enter first and last name. Now add the action question. Choose the choice question type with two options, sign in and sign out. Make this one required as well. This gives you a clean, standardized way to know whether someone is arriving or leaving, which is crucial when you later review entries. Add a third question for destination or purpose. You can make this a choice question if you have common locations or reasons like lobby, meeting room, or break, or switch it to a text question if people need to type a brief note. Pick whichever format will give you the most consistent and useful data. Open the form's settings. Here, decide whether the form should automatically record the respondent's name. Turn on record name if you want to tie responses to signed in users within your organization. Leave it off if you're collecting entries from guests or prefer an anonymous setup. Keep your privacy and compliance needs in mind as you choose. When you're ready to share, select Collect Responses and choose the QR code option. Download the QR code and print it for your check-in area. Post it on a sign, place it beside a tablet, or affix it to a door. People simply scan, fill in their details, and submit. That's it. With this setup, every entry includes a timestamp along with the action and purpose, giving you a dependable digital log without any paper clutter.